Oh crap. Hey, what's up? You guys snuck up on me. Welcome. My name is Darkpool Algo, and this is another morning live stream watchlist building session. Welcome to the jungle, that is. I like that, dude. I did that the other day, and it was so smooth. It flowed. I loved it. All right, so I got to do a couple things here real quick. Maybe that's a little bit better. Getting some better lighting going on here. It has been a crazy couple days. With that being said, market volatility is going to be pretty significant. Volatility equals dollar signs. If you haven't figured that out yet, it has. I wanted to reach out to the stream. I'll wait till some more people hop on real quick. Looks like volume. What do we got going on here? Dashboard. All right. Pulling up some data. Let me just start over. Grab a drink. Bang. If you're out there, dude, I'm telling you, hook a brother up. All right. Ooh, is that a buy signal? Did I just see a buy signal? Nope. PayPal, CMG. All right. I'm Darkpool Algo. Welcome to the live stream. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be going through a list of stocks, trying to find some trades for today. We're going to be using the Smart Money Darkpool and FlowTrade algorithm software. It's provided by those traders over at FlowTrade. They've done a wonderful job. It's probably one of the best Darkpool and FlowTrade systems that I've seen. I've got access to all of them. I've gone through and I've done due diligence on all of them. I personally like this one the best. I like being able to see what the market's doing. Like, I'm a visual person. I like knowing if the market makers have been net buying a stock for the last 5 days, and while it's selling off, right? That's called deviation, right? We like deviation. So we're not deviants, but we like deviation. With that being said, if you have any requests, make sure you hit them up in the chat. I'm going to check Twitter real quick. Usually there's one or two people like to message me there asking for requests. And let's see. STAF. What's that? DraftKings. Ooh, NFT. What? That's crazy. That is crazy. DraftKings is going to launch a DraftKings marketplace to launch as NFT ecosystem and exchange. DraftKings is launching an exchange. What kind of crazy nonsense is this? Wow, they're just into everything, man. That's pretty dang awesome. Let's see. We need this guy over here. All right, so DraftKings is actually in a good position. The weekly bottom, daily bottom, 4-hour bottom. MACD's or the squeeze. It's in a 5, 15, 1-hour squeeze. It's starting to turn around. Currently trading at 47 with resistance in at 49 and 50. DraftKings may be a fun one. Let's go ahead and check this one out. I love how I draw supply and demand zones and shit just bounces right off of it. Sorry, stuff just bounces right off of it. Yeah, DraftKings is going to rip at the open. If it can get up and close above 47.29, I'm going to look to play it long, just up on the pop off the news. Point of control for DraftKings is at 48.62. Earnings coming up in August. This might be a good reversal play for it to become positive. I still have to figure out what this dang level is right here. And I got this little line, right? You ever add something to your chart and can't figure out what it is? Yeah, that's me with this little line right here. I know it's got something to do with volume and point of control, but it is just baffling me. And clicking on it doesn't really do me any good. So we'll figure it out later. Yeah, DraftKings is ripping up a buck already. Let's check it out on the Algo. I bet you the algorithm knew about this before we did. DKNG. Right. Load, 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 load. Okay. We got a block trade coming in on the 19th at 46 or 42.61. That was the base. A little reversal, uptrend support. Algo is trading with price action on DraftKings. So let's see what we got here. All right, so yeah, we'll keep DraftKings. Keep an eye on DraftKings. Netflix had earnings. Let's see what the algo says about Netflix. Also, want to check out. Look at those squiggles. Let me clean this up a little bit. The algo is so smart. I tell you what. I'll tell you what. The algo is buying with price action. We'll just keep an eye on Netflix in a minute. We will keep an eye on it. I wanted to look at FTFT and Kroger. Wow. So FTFT and DraftKings, very similar chart pattern. Kroger is making some moves. Right? Oh, look at that Wu-Tang. Ha! The algo did a Wu-Tang reversal. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. For those of you that don't know, this is my favorite. This is my favorite pattern to see in the stock market. It makes me happy. I'm a big Wu-Tang. Wow, I can't talk today. Big Wu-Tang fan. Look at this. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. So when I talk about a Wu-Tang reversal pattern, it's a 1, 2, 3 Dow reversal pattern. But check this out. Right, you come down. Right, we go up. Right, we come back down. And then that last move is just massive. That's it. There it is. It's one of my favorite patterns to see. I know I geek out on it. It's pretty happy. All right. Netflix, FTFT, DraftKings, KR. I'm going to check FinTwit real quick and see if... let's see. I put out a post the other day. I realized that I own AMC shares, right? CEO Adam is named chairman of AMC. All right. So this is what FinTwit's looking at this morning. We'll check it out as well. And we'll just get into it. Okay, lots of news, lots of earnings. But first, let's check out the futures. Let's check out the futures. Come on. Come on. Load up for me. Load up. Ooh, that's a weird looking pattern there. That looks like a big giant finger. So the market's going to give us a finger today. All right. Boom, 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 boom. So this would be a head and shoulders pattern forming on the 2-minute ES futures. It looks to be... Oh, we missed the buy signal, 43.15. All right, we missed that buy signal, unfortunately. I don't like this pattern that it's doing. It's doing a FU pattern. This happens quite a bit. I'm sure there's a technical term for it, but I see this a lot, and it worries me every time. I lost a ton of money on Beyond with this pattern. Let me just do this again. What'll happen is you get one of these, right? It's, it's a head and shoulders pattern. It is, short at the neck, wherever the neck may be. So short below the neck, which is, and the neck would be short below there, some crap like that. So, ES is setting up to head fake us. Don't get faked out, right? Other than that, bounced off the 15-minute Celts. Point of control is all the way down at 42.31.25. So look for a fade to 42.60, possibly. Yeah, that's setting up a head and shoulders. I've got a rising 200 at 4,300. So 4,300 is going to be a very important level today. Well, Sorry, I apologize. Point of control is at 43.22. Point of control 43.22. Look for a rejection off of 43.35.50 is the beginning of the supply zone. That runs from 43.35.50 up to about 43.40. So look for rejection off of there. Point of control again, 43.30. All right. So ES is going to do that. NQ. It's not as bad. It's forming a bull flag right now. We've got VWAP, overhead VWAP on the 2 minute at 14.17. Let me just make this a 5 minute. Yeah, 14718.50 VWAP. 14724.00 point of control. Nice strong uptrend pullback. Looks like it's beginning to form a reversal pattern. I like short below 14. 14.6830 down to 14.606. 606. Oh, wow. Rough. All right. I don't want to read the news. I'm going to look at FlowTrade. If you have a request, let me know. If you don't, then we're going to look at these stocks. These are the top 12 trending on FinTwit right now, and they are mRNA, NVIDIA, SPY, Tesla, Staff, Netflix, Neuro. Oh, Neuro is a gorgeous chart. I looked at it this morning. SPX, DocuSign, NVFY. I've never heard of that. We're going to look at DraftKings. We're going to trade, let's see, DKNG. Yeah, this is going to be a good trade today. Neuro, I saw this earlier. Look at this move, dude, from 3 to 15. Oh, how can we got to start catching some of these. That means we have to start looking at penny stocks. We'll do it. But that's a life-changing move there, from 3 to 13, right? $1,000 on 100 shares. Boom, shakalaka. We can check out SPY. Yeah, sure. Let's see, what other ones should they look at? I don't know what this NVFY, I've never heard of this. Nova Lifestyle. It's another penny. It's another penny stock. So with that being said, Staff is another one that I believe there was some news on. Look for this to continue to sell off. Wow. 10 to 3. All right, let's check out SPY. So we just went over the ES. So SPY is going to do what the ES does, right? We got a nice bounce off the weekly mid, or is this a weekly cloud? One second. Yeah, so we bounced off the weekly mid. We're in the daily cloud. Is it the daily cloud? Yes, we're in the daily cloud with a target of the weekly top. We're in the weekly cloud. 1 second. All right, so we're in the weekly daily cloud. 4-hour mid. Right? With a target of 436 on a break of 433. Right? Whenever we're in a cloud, it's a lot of congestion. An obscene amount of congestion. Right? As far as the overall trend, we dipped down into the 34 EMA low yesterday. Right at 424.50. Nice gap up overnight. All right. Weekly cloud. 433 resistance. 430 is support. A break below 430, we come back down to 427. If we maintain this, this 431 level, we might melt up into 436. That's the target. But we get up there, I think we need to reject off of that. I don't think we're going to make new highs. Let me look at this on... I think I need a different chart. Yeah, there's ES or NQ selling off. Let me see if I can find a chart. Yeah, so this is ES. It's making, see that pattern I was talking about? That's a big giant finger, which is low, and then run during the day, then gap fade. All right, let me pull up a different chart here. Looking at options flow. Mara and Riot. Yeah, I'll look at Mara and Riot. So DraftKings, Mara, Riot. They're going to react with Bitcoin. Kathy Woods, I think Bezos, maybe not Bezos, but definitely Elon Musk will be speaking at a Bitcoin conference today, I believe. So there will be some volatility with that. Well, all right. So we got an alert on which to go long. And the same with Citibank. Magenta Therapeutics stock drops as FDA issues clinical hold on it. Huh. Smile Direct Club, SDC, that's going to rip today. They had a ruling, something about antitrust, but this is it's a Wall Street bet stock, so it's a meme stock, and it's also highly shorted. If this closes above 745... Why is my stream being laggy AF? I don't like that. What's going on with the stream health? It says it's good. Alright. Smile Direct Club. I need to close above 745 for a run to 8, close above 8, 850, 9, 950, 10, right, all the way up to 11. So this has got potential to make a massive move today. So SDC, enough video to maintain a smooth. What are you talking? Sorry, that's weird. My stream is lagging for today for some reason. All right, what was I doing? Let me grab another chart. Let's see if this is one. No, that's not the one. That is not the one. All right, we'll just go with this. All right, OMI was the other one I wanted to look at. OMI. Docu, Tesla, Peloton, Kroger, and FTF2. All right, so I've got kind of a large list now. So I'm going to start burning through these relatively quickly. I just want to check out one more thing, and then we'll get started. All right, and the FlowTrade up there, Quant Data, and just to answer the SPY question real quick, I wanted to see something on the daily. So this is really a decision area for SPY. While we've got a good 52-week channel, we've got stacked positive moving averages. We've got a 4-day squeeze that may fire off still, right? Our primary cycles are negative. Our MACD for SPY is not looking the greatest. It looks kind of heavy, right? That would be this chart here. So left-hand side is very high time frames, weekly down to daily. On the right-hand side, intraday, 4-hour down to 2-minute. While the weekly and the monthly are still up, this 3-day yearly, monthly, weekly. So weekly starting to curl over, daily's curling over, 3 days curling over. Once those break and start going down, it's a lot of weight. It's gonna pull shit down. These little, 4-hour, 1-hour ones. So we've got 4-hour, hourly, and 15 are pulling stuff down as well. The 4 hours kind of trying to hold stuff up. The SPY looks very heavy. Okay. That's so weird. I'll work. Whoa, what happened?